Welcome. This is an introduction to trial version of a Cityplus dossier. This is based on demand and we want to put school through because it's not within Abuja, it's outside Abuja. That is why we are doing this, so that they will be able to see and know how to use. When you open it, first you have to log in, and you log in with the details provided in the mail sent to you. That is the most school, precisely. So we are going to use the username we have created for you, alright, and the password included in the mail sent to you. Okay, when you open, the first thing you do is to use try free for 10 days. Okay, for the delay we have caused the school, we're gonna add a grace of 11 more days for them. So after 10 days you're gonna have 11 more days before the thing will lock out. Okay, we use on try for 10 days. Okay, when you click on try free for 10 days, you click on trial. This little check this box. When you check on it, is going to bring your unique code for you, your activation code for the trial version. Okay, we enter this code as it is. So let us pause and enter first, and we come back and then we see. Notice once we put the correct activation code, this button comes to life. And this number, don't even try this. This is based on my system. Your system will be different. So make sure you put the correct number. Okay, you click to register. We click OK. You are now registered. Alright. Now it tells us when our expiration date is. If it was a normal 10 days, it would have been in this September. But now it has entered the 2nd of October because we have given them 21 free days. That's additional 11 days because of the patience they have with us. Okay. Alright, now you are in. The next thing you do, you click to view visible sheets. Alright, when you come here, you come to the home. When you come to the home, the first thing you do is you select 10 first. Select 10. If you are in first 10, we select the 10. Okay, it will tell you like we are changing 10. Do you want to change the session? Yes, we are changing the session, and our session is 2021/2022. Assuming we click on enter. All right, you want to continue? Yes. Okay, now this is how it would have been. We asked you to generate data, but we didn't have data for these are new, so it's going to just skip it. Now it will also pop up this form for you to promote students because we still have settings to do. So the next thing is for us to use this more setup. If it is the first time you are using more setup, you click on more setup. You come here, you click on. When you're in more setup, you're going to see this environment where we have homepage, school setup, our class, our subject, our student, compress, psychomotor, and so on. So the first thing first you do is you click on school setup, put the name of the school. Okay, the Mo College. All right, address. Let me put Lagos, Nigeria. Motto, excellent. True hard work. Okay, phone number, you put your number 08038938654. Another one 09002200000. As the number may be your email. Okay, I'm just mixing up with my data now. Okay, state Lagos, country Nigeria. When you finish, you click on process. This will give you room to review, to check, because when you click enter, oh yes, you're not going to be able to edit this again. So please, when you do this, this is a trial version, you can put any data, fine. When we give you the real workbook, the real software, you will not be able to enter. So look at this and cross check all these spelling. If it is not, you click no. If it is anything wrong here, you click no. If it is okay, you click yes. so it to process. Okay, so if you click it again, it's not going to work. Sorry, this function has been deactivated. Contact admin for help. Okay, so you can't edit it again after entering. So the next thing you do is for you to add class. Okay, we gonna add class. Let's say let's start with just ss1 a. Okay, jss1b, as the case may be. Simple as that. You add ss1, ss2, ss2. It will be showing you the classes that are available, ss3, and so on. So these are the classes. Okay, so we exit. When you finish entering the class, you add subject. Okay, let me also tell us that this is mainly for junior secondary. We try to separate junior from senior secondary. Senior secondary is slightly different from this. So the subject you are going to enter, we are going to select if it is general subject or combined. Like math is general subject, we click OK. Now if we enter basic tech, for instance, it's combined, so we click combine. Why is it combined? Some school treat it separately. The BST, which comprises of basic tech, basic science, and so on, the school treats it separately, while some school treat it as combined, as in they write exams separately and mark it separately, then compress the results. While some schools are actually teach it separately and put the exam together and mark it as a single result. So if your school is doing it as a single result, you have to contact us so that we reconfigure these two to suit the method of your school preparation of results in terms of comparing results. But if they do it separately, fine, you don't have any stress to do. All you need to do is identify the subject as a combined subject, then you are good to go. So you click on OK. Now let us enter a list of basic science. Okay, you have to select this combine. Okay, let's enter again. Computer is part. Okay, then what again? Let's just put social studies. Combine. Okay, when you finish, you exit. All right, now you add student. From here you put the student name, select the gender, select the class, the thing, put the admission number, select the session, and select the class for the student. Okay, now the reason why we put theme and the this thing first, if you didn't put it won't show here, so you won't say anything to it. I have to go back to select those things. Now when you finish, you click add. When you finish adding all the students, you click on OK. Now compress result. It is here that you have to select the result type. Compress one. What do? You put your name. Let me say BST. We have basic tech. The second subject is basic science. The third subject is computer. The fourth subject is social studies. You have to select it as it is. If there are two subjects, you select 2. If there are 3, you select 3. If there are 4, you select 4. For example, if I delete this I'll click compress. Okay, now if we select on it again, okay, you've seen that too. So if we want to add, we can select a computer, that is the one that is missing. We click on OK. All right, we can now select on the second one. See, we've already entered Greek, home accounts, and so on. You can select Greek, home accounts, and so on, and click on compress. It will work perfectly. Okay, so that is how it is being done. When you are through with this, all you need to do is you go to home, select the class you've entered, select subject, the name will populate. You continue. Thank you. I will refer you to other of our videos where show how this is captured. This is a brief video that tells you on what to do. So I believe this will go a long way of assisting and helping you educate. For full video content, the one displayed on the screen, it will be of great use. Thank you for reaching out to us.